Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making pancake, and as you can tell from the title of the video, I'll be using Greek yogurt instead of milk. So I've got the flour, I've got honey, egg, ground cinnamon and salt, and I'll also be using water. So the water I'll be using to thin the batter. So in a bowl, I've got the wet ingredients, that's the egg, the honey and the yogurt, which I'm mixing together, whisking together with the hand whisk. And in another bowl, I've got the dry ingredients, that's the flour, the cinnamon and the salt. And I've also added half a teaspoon of baking powder, and this will help to stop the batter from being dense because of the liquid. So I'm sieving the dry ingredients into the wet, and I'm going to mix this together until thoroughly combined. There should be no lumps in your pancake. It's a no lumps allowed in pancake. And as you can see, the batter was is thick, so this is where I start using the water to thin it to the consistency I like. If you like your pancake to be very thick, you can reduce the water. And I'm going to now start frying the batter into pancake. So in the pan, I'm spraying just little amount of oil. I don't usually use much oil. And in goes the batter. And I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until lots of bubble forms at the top of the pancake. And then flip it on the other side and cook for another minute or two. And you can see the other side is looking different from the first side, and it's always like this. And if you're able to get your two sides of pancake to be the same, let me know. But the first side is always prettier. So I continue to fry the rest of the batter until everything was finished, and it's looking so golden, so nice. And I left this to just cool a little bit before topping it with berry compote and fresh strawberries and blueberries. I'll be putting the recipe, the link for the berry compote at the end of this video, so you can see the pancake looking so nice and so yummy. It's yummy, guys, I tell you. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit this notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.